Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the alimentary canal of the earthworm. The alimentary canal of the earthworm, which is in the form of a straight tube, it extends from the first segment up to the last segment of the body of earthworm. In the first segment of the body of earthworm, it consists of a mouth which is present on the anterior side and it opens into the pharynx. The mouth region is present from the first to third segment of the earthworm's body. Then it leads into the pharynx. The pharynx leads into the esophagus, which is a narrow tube which is present from the fifth to seventh segment of the earthworm's body. Esophagus leads to the gizzard, which is a muscular gizzard which is present in the region of 8th to 9th segment. The function of the gizzard is that it grinds the decaying leaves and the soil particles which are swallowed by the earthworm. It helps in the grinding of those food material or organic material which is absorbed by the earthworm. The gizzard leads into a stomach. The portion of stomach extends from the 9th segment to the 14th segment. The food of the earthworm is basically the decaying leaves and the organic materials mixed with that of the soil. Then the intestinal region starts from the 15th segment of the body of earthworm and it extends up to the last segment of the body. The intestinal system consists of a pre-typhlosolar region and then the typhlosolar region. The characteristic feature of the intestine of the earthworm is the presence of this typhlosole. This typhlosole is the fold of internal walls. These are the folds of internal walls which helps in the absorption, or we can say that it increases the effective area of absorption in the inside the intestine. That is the main function of the typhlosole, which is basically starts or present in the 26th to 35th segment of the body. Behind that, in the intestine, the intestinal cecum are present, which are a pair of short, slender and conical structures which projects out from the intestine, which is basically present on the 26th segment in the intestinal region of the earthworm. Then the alimentary canal of the earthworm leads up to the last segment and it opens outside through a anus, and the organic food materials which are digested by the earthworms are digested inside the intestine and the nutrients which are present are absorbed by the intestinal wall. In the stomach region, a calciferous glands are present. In earthworms, calciferous glands are present. The function of calciferous glands is that it absorbs or it neutralizes the humic acid which is present in the humus, because the food of the earthworm is the organic materials which are mixed with soil and the decaying leaves. So that are the humus, and the humic acid which is present in that kind of food is neutralized by the calciferous glands which are present in the stomach. So it is all total the alimentary canal of the earthworm, in which, as we know that the body of earthworm is completely segmented, it is metamerically segmented. So from the first portion, that is the first segment of the earthworm, then to the last segment of the earthworm, each organ is situated and has a specific function in the alimentary canal of earthworm. So in our next video, we will discuss about the closed circulatory system of the earthworm. So for more videos, visit www.excelclasses.com. Thanks.